What is room in Korean? One Korean term for room is bang. Again, it's bang. This is pronounced as one syllable word. Pronounce it with me. Bang. Bang. How do we write bang in Hangul? This is composed of just 3 characters. The first character is a piep character. Then this is followed by an a character and an eon character at the end. We just need to combine these 3 characters to form the Hangul of the word bang. Again, piep plus a plus an eon character. And that is how we form bang. And with that, you already know what is room in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos.